Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Thomas with TMWYT. Today we are going over to Irv's house to get some new wheels on his wide body Focus RS that I featured on the channel quite a few times. He finally got some better fitting wheels for the wide body kit. So we're gonna head over to his house right now, hop in the Golf, and go get those put on and see how they look.
Gotta be cinematic, you know?
Alright, we've made it to Irv's house. We are gonna get his new wheels mounted up right after I show you what he ended up getting. Without further ado, these are Irv's new wheels. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Works. Hot boy status. White wheels on the RS. It can look like a candy cane. And here they are, the Work Emotion ZR10 finished in a gloss white with the red Work Emotion sticker on one of the spokes. Fitment is going to be so perfect with the wide body. We are going to get these new wheels tossed on here. I think they're going to look super sweet. I love the spoke pattern and how the lip kind of dips down right here. So around the edge of the lip here, you'll see that the Work logo is embossed into the side, as well as Work Emotion and made in Japan, and a few other things around here. ZR10 as well, but they look super good. They're definitely like a track oriented wheel setup, and there's back spacing in the rear there. The white looks so cool. These are probably going to be the cleanest they will ever be right now. And we are going to put them on the RS, which is already jacked up, and he switched over his spacers or conversion adapters, which will take the bolt pattern from the 5x108 on the Focus RS to the 5x114.3 that he needs to rock the new wheels. And how much is that going to push it out from the existing hub mount location?
15 millimeters.
So 15 more millimeters pushed out. So basically almost like a spacer in order to run 5x114 wheels on your ST or RS. So these should look pretty sweet. They're kind of a similar spoke pattern to what he had previously, just a little bit different, and then they're obviously the big lip on the inside here. But I'll get you guys better footage and everything and pictures once they're on the car and the sun has gone down a little bit. Right now, so bright, so hot already. But we are just gonna set you down for a time lapse here and get all the wheels mounted up and see if there's any fitment issues. Oh, fitment's money, bro.
Yeah, fitment is money.
Fitment's money.
Might have to trim up the back a little bit, but...
You think? I think it's good, honestly.
The front's fucking...
Yeah, that's sweet. Look at that.
The front is money, bro. Like...
Front's dope, dude. Oh, both are perfect, dude. As long as you can look from the top down and see the rim still, or the wheel. Not the rim, the wheel. Bro, it's money.
I calculated that about this right, bro.
It's clean, dog. These look so fire. Alright, his car is dusty as hell, so we are going to take it over to paint spray, get some cool cinematic shots with the new wheels, spraying it off. So let's head there now. That's what a cold start sounds like on this car. Good Lord! Rub, bro?
I rubbed before, we'll see. See what happens.
Damn, she looks so fire, bro. Alright guys, we got the wheels all mounted up. They turned out super sweet. Irv loves how they turned out.
Love how they turned out.
So dope. Oh my, wow, you're so enthusiastic.
So dope.
They look super cool. So much rubbing. He's gonna have to figure that out on his own. I ain't gonna help him. But that is the new wheels for the RS. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and leave a like down below if you enjoyed the content. and I will catch you guys in the next one.